I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and proximity. Charge the Skullcandy Evo until the case or buds show a steady LED, then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes blue. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and set to discoverable. Move within 3 meters to avoid interference. You do this because low battery or distance can block pairing handshakes, so immediate power and close range speed up the connection process. You now force the Evo into pairing. If the LED isn't alternating blue and white, hold power and volume down for about 5 to 10 seconds until you see the pairing pattern. Then, on your device, open Bluetooth settings and refresh the available devices list. You should see Skullcandy Evo. Tap it to connect. This works because the reset clears prior links and the alternating LED signals the headset is discoverable and ready to accept a new connection. You finish by confirming connection. A solid LED and a connected status on your phone mean you're done. Play audio to verify left and right channels. If it fails, forget the Evo in your Bluetooth settings, power cycle both devices, then repeat the reset and pairing steps. If problems persist, open the Skullcandy app and install firmware updates, because new firmware often resolves Bluetooth stability and compatibility bugs, so make sure to check updates after a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.